Can I get a picture? Don't be a bad sport like your last.
Hey, Nathan, come get a good look. In a minute.
Oh, that's cool. It's not at the end yet. That's our last. It's hard to open.
All right, Hannah, come on back up. Boys, you're looking at mine, okay? So you need to get back on the side.
You were here. You want us to go around to
Well, I want you to go back.
I shouldn't be on this side. He's not done. I shouldn't be on that side. He's not done. Yeah. I can't wait.
I can't get it. It's not.
Aww.
That's the tongue. It's attached in the front, not in the back. But I can't get it.
Aww.
Okay, what's next?
I wanted to look at the tongue.
Is it alright?
In the center of the mouth, toward the back.
Did you wash it?
Look at this. Yeah.
I can't tell. The eyes are closed.
Can you go help her get some more? Huh?
I did. If you'd have Stanley or
Center.
I'm a little behind. One of the pins came out.
Okay.
So we just start cutting in the middle.
Where they sliced it, yeah.
What's the red thing? Yeah.
It's a blood vessel.
That's a blood vessel?
Yep.
It looks like something I saw before, like flat gum. Yeah, it looks like gum. Yeah, it looks like gum. Don't put it in your mouth. Yeah, that's a good idea.
And so I'm gonna like cut this open.
And you're gonna pin it.
Yeah,
wait, this is still cutting the skin?
We're still cutting the skin, yes.
I see inside that thing.
We'll find out if it's a female right now.
You can't tell yet because the muscle's still in the way, okay?
Yeah, pretty soon.
She's gonna peek in just on this corner.
I want you to pin it down for me, okay?
Can I pin one?
You've already pinned one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and put the pin right through there, all the way down into the blue stuff. There we go. Let me see if I can get the other side going. There's more than one part to the liver.
You have to go down there.
It's okay. They're all going to see this one because she's running behind.
You guys are way back there.
So here's all.
No.
I
It's
see
right
liver.
here.
Scissors are sideways.
And then I went to wash my hands because I accidentally touched it.
You see the liver right here?
I can't see it.
Okay, I'm going to, once I get it opened up, I'm going to, I think it's this red thing right here.
That's you trying to get it like this.
You can't do that in the preserves frog.
Stop complaining, Hannah.
They had special stuff on the TV to get it to do that.
Next is lungs. The body.
Okay, next is